We the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.
What's going on, guys? CryPTOCURRENCIES back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, and in this video I'm going to be covering the highly requested Ethereum chart. It's been requested many times as we've had some huge moves happen recently, and also I'm going to give my opinion on why I believe we can be on the brink of one of the greatest bull runs we've ever seen Ethereum go on, something comparing to 2017 where we went absolutely parabolic. I'm going to be giving my opinions on the chart. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis on BTC. I'm also going to be covering some fundamental news of Ethereum also. But before I jump in this video, guys, if you want to keep up to date with all my live trades and analysis, the only place you can find that is on my free Telegram. The link is in the description. Most recently, I gave the trade of Troy BTC and we ended up returning over 62% in profit. So if you're interested in catching all my trades and analysis in real time, go give me a follow on my free Telegram. So first of all, Ethereum has been getting a lot of the spotlight recently. We've got a lot of huge news coming, a lot of fundamental news coming for Ethereum in the next months to next year. First of all, as you can see, the open interest in Ether options jumps to a new record high. So the interest is there, so people are willing to trade it. I mean, when you see usually moves, a lot of people kind of either speculating to the upside or they're speculating to the downside. But in my opinion, with all the fundamentals that we've got, for example, we have Ethereum 2.0, which is going to introduce staking. So if you hold 32 Ethereum, you're going to be getting roughly between 8 to 10% returns in Ethereum. So just that fact alone will be pushing the price to new highs. If you imagine all the institutional investors, when they know if they stake at least 32 Ethereum, they'd be getting a nice huge return compared to anything they can get on the bank or the stock market. If they can get it year in, year out, best believe people are going to be buying up their Ethereum. And once that Ethereum is locked up, that takes out of the circulating supply, and that will further push up the demand and further push up the price of Ethereum. Also, the usability of Ethereum and what it's actually used for. If you guys have been living under a rock, you would know that DeFi is the thing at the moment. A lot of these DeFi coins have been absolutely pumping recently. We've had Lend, AAVE, do almost a 12,000% return. Synthetics, again, huge. Compound Maker, all these coins have been on an absolute bull run in themselves. And if you look what chain they're built on, is Ethereum. So that, again, it just shows us the actual usability of Ethereum and why fundamentally it's still strong. If we compare it back to in 2017, 2016, there wasn't much fundamentals going well for Ethereum. I mean, we had CryPTOCURRENCIES. That was as much as the actual use case that we had with Ethereum. But now price is down at $278, and then we've got Ethereum 2.0 coming out. We have the DeFi taking over the world of crypto, and a lot of people are getting more involved with DeFi. Also, to further say that we've got institutional investment into Ethereum. Grayscale Investment Products, they're one of the biggest holders of BTC. At the moment, they are buying more BTC than is being mined at the moment. And if you look at the current trust of the most holdings they've got in second is Ethereum. So again, that shows you a lot of institutional interest is in Ethereum at the moment. So where can I see Ethereum going? Well, at the moment, we can see price made a double bottom. So we had the double bottom here. We had the bottom in December. Then again, we had another bottom again in March. These were two huge movements down. This was back when absolutely BTC melted. And again, when BTC melted. And again, there was a lot of buy orders set in this region. They get bought up and then we've been pushed up again high. What's something that I noticed the other day. So this indicator that I've got on, to find it, if you go to indicators, so if you go to templates, and you will find it at default templates on TradingView. So if you go MA expansion ribbon, So what it is, so we have different EMAs ranging from the 20 EMA down to the 55. And what you want to see is the yellow EMA above to signal that we're in a bullish uptrend. And then in a downtrend, what you want to see is the 55 above the yellow to signify we're still in a downtrend. And what I know quite interesting that what I noticed here is back in April, obviously we flipped over and the yellow 20 EMA was above on the weekly chart, and this led to one of the greatest bull runs that we ever witnessed. And for the past 2 and a bit years, the red band has been dominant. It has stayed above until most recently we've actually had a bullish twist on the weekly. So to me, this signifies that momentum is in the favor of the upside for Ethereum. We have Ethereum 2.0 around the corner. We have institutional interest on Ethereum, and where price now is on the technical side was forming this lower high here on the weekly, and we actually had a breakout of the lower high trajectory. Again, another bullish indicator. We've also created a new higher high on the weekly here. However, what I'm personally looking for to kind of get really excited that we can be looking to hit these targets of $365 all the way up to $500 will be to take out this previous high that we saw back in February. If we do this on the weekly time frame, we'll be creating new higher highs, and that will be incredibly bullish. That's something we haven't seen since the very top that we saw back in January. We've consistently been making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. And for the first time ever, we're out on the brink of taking out a lower high, and this will be very bullish. And best believe a lot of traders will be looking at this exact same chart with the exact same low high, and a break would make them FOMO into this market, and then we could see a push roughly to about $310. I mean, this is significant because this is where we saw the high and multiple rejections back in July. Also, we have this spike up here where, again, so this was resistance, turn support, now turn resistance. So this, in my opinion, will be significant area to take out. Once we take out this resistance, roughly about $360 to $375, I mean, if the sky's the limit, we're going straight to roughly about $500. So what I'll be looking here on the bearish side, if we do get a rejection and we cannot break above this area of previous resistance, and we start falling down here and we start forming lower lows, then this bullish sentiment won't be over, especially if we break under this expansion ribbon. This will kind of signify this uptrend is now over. But at the moment, I'll be focused on the bull side because this is what the indicators and the technicals are showing me kind of at the moment that we are bullish, and further upside will be expected once we break above this 280. Best believe we are going to roughly about $315 to see if we can break through this resistance. If we slice through that, we are going straight to $375. Again, an area where price got rejected of huge massively. Again, this was previous support back in April 2018. We got a huge bounce off this region here. So best believe this will be a significant area to break. But like I said, with the fundamentals and the technical side of it, and the institutional interest, we could see finally to break above this region. So finally, I'm going to do a quick technical analysis on BTC USD. This is on the BitMEX chart. So I'm going to keep this nice and simple. We're currently finding resistance at 9,680. We came up, got rejected, came back down, and what I'm seeing now is that price is still forming these higher lows. So we could potentially be seeing another break, another test to the upside to take out 9,680. Best believe if we break above this vision, we're going straight to 10,000. However, if we lose this ascending support here, and we lose this support that we have at 9,450, and we break down, we could be looking around about levels of 9,375, which is significant support. Further down, we have 9,220. But also I flipped on the 200 EMA on the 4-hour chart. And again, this has been significant. When we're trading above this, it usually signifies further upside. And we're starting to get the kill up in the EMA the 200 EMA on the 4 hours, so we could be potentially using this as dynamic support. So at the moment, I'm still looking for further upside to at least another test to 9,680. If we take this above, best believe we're going to be going to 10,000, and I guess, and this should in fact help drag Ethereum up to new highs. And also, if we zoom on to the 4 hour, we can see that price is battling to break above this $2,280 region. If we get a break, that will be my next line of resistance of roughly about $310. So hope you enjoyed this brief video. Let me know what you think. Do you think Ethereum is going to be making new highs? Are we going to be on a actual bull run in the next year or so? I mean, technicals and fundamentals are looking very, very good at the moment, but only time will tell with this. So once again, if you enjoyed this video and if you want to keep up to date with my live trades analysis, go follow me on my free Telegram. The link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Crypto Chris over and out.